I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card as well as the SD card. Plus, we'll double check the settings once we have the SIM card inserted, and I'll also show you how to double check the SD card and also format the SD card if you need to format it. First thing is look on top of the phone and you see the SIM tray / SD card tray right here. Grab your SIM ejection tool that came out of your box. If you don't have this, you can use another phone SIM ejection tool. You can even use like a thin paper clip or bobby pin, even the thin like back of a stud earring. That'll work as well. So you see the hole right there? Just go ahead and pop it in here and then give it a little bit of pressure until the lip pops out like a little bit like that. And then go ahead and take the tray out like this. Set it into your hands. And we got SIM tray here and SD card, all right? So we're going to put the SD card in just like this. I have a 128 gigger, but take note the max SD card size is actually 1 terabyte. So we're going to go ahead and put the SD card on here. Okay, now let's go ahead and grab the SIM card. Now the SIM card, you can see you have a diagonal cut on one of the edges here. Just match it with the diagonal cut on the corner on the tray. So I know it's going to go in just like this here. So let me make sure everything is nice and flush. Okay, so once it's nice and flush, what we want to do is match the hole up, the hole here to the hole to the tray. And we're going to go ahead and slide this in really slowly. And we're going to see if it finds my SIM card here. So give it a second here. It depends on what carrier you have. Some carriers will actually, once the SIM card is found in the phone, they'll ask you to reboot it to do some updates to that specific SIM. Okay. Anyways, I see something here. It says 5G here, so I know I'm up and running. Now let me just confirm. Let's go ahead and swipe up on your screen like that. And let's go to your settings here. And then from settings, we're going to go ahead up here. We're going to tap on connections. And then now because I have my SIM card in, it's registered. Now I have this mobile networks. If I had no SIM card in there, I wouldn't have this option here, mobile network. So let's tap on this here. Now we can see by default, my carrier turned on my data roaming by default, which is fine because I have unlimited data roaming. You may not. My network mode, you can see it's automatically connected to Auto Connect 5G LTE. And you can see my network operators down here is T-Mobile. So I'm up and running. I got the 5G on there. And now, so that's up and running. So let's go ahead and check the SD card, okay? So SD card, same thing. Let's go into your settings again. And then from here, you want to go ahead, you want to scroll down, and we want to go down to where it says Device Care. Tap on that. Now tap on Storage. Now it says SD card down here. Now if it doesn't say SD card down here, well, your SD card is corrupted or it's not reading, or you just need to reinsert it again, okay? So SD card is here, so we're going to format it. Click on Advanced below it. Advanced, SD card is right here. Let's tap on that again. It says Format right here. Let's tap on that. And are you sure you want to go ahead and format this? We do. I'm going to click on Format SD card. Don't forget, formatting, you're basically deleting, wiping everything off of there. So if you have anything important on here, hopefully you already backed it up. So it's formatting. Okay, there we go. I have nothing on my SD card. I'm up and running, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Now, really quickly, if you want to be able to take photos and videos using your camera and save it directly to your SD card, then you have to go ahead and select SD card for that. And how you do that is go ahead and open up your camera really quickly. Top left-hand side is you have a settings icon right here. Let's tap on that. And now let's just scroll down, and we're going to look for storage location. So tap on that. Now by default, yours is going to say internal storage. Okay, so tap on that, and you have SD card down there. Okay, now if I put the SD card, now every time I go ahead and take a photo or video, it's going to be saved directly to that SD card. So pretty simple.